Don't skip this, because what if I told you that All of Us Are Dead Season 2, the zombies are not the scariest part anymore? Yes, something worse is evolving. About All of Us Are Dead Season 2, I am going to tell you everything you need to know. Release updates, cast, story, and the terrifying twist that could change everything. And trust me, this season is going to be way more darker than the first one. Let's rewind for a second. In All of Us Are Dead, what started as a normal school day turned into a complete nightmare. Students trapped, no escape. Friends turning into monsters right in front of each other. And even when some survived, nothing really ended. Now let's talk about the release. Season 2 is officially confirmed and will stream on Netflix. It's expected to release in 2026, and yes, the wait feels long, but with a show like this, that usually means a bigger budget, better production, and way more intense scene. Coming to the cast, and this is where things got interesting. Park Ji-hoo returns as Onjo, Yo Yi-hun as Namra, and Yoon Chan-young as Cheon-sang. Okay, not officially confirmed alive, but come on, we are not giving up hope. And especially Namra, her story is far more over. Season 1 was all about survival inside the school, but Season 2 is expected to expand into a much bigger world. The infection may have spread beyond the city, maybe even further. And now, it's not just about escaping zombies anymore, it's about surviving a completely broken world. And here's where things get seriously scary. The half zombies we saw. They are faster, stronger, and smarter. And the worst part, they can control themselves. That's not a normal zombie anymore. That's something new. And Namra, she is one of them. She's stuck in between human and becoming a monster, which makes her the most unpredictable character in the entire story. She could protect everyone, or she could become the biggest threat. And imagine this. What if more people like her start appearing? What if they from their own group? And now, it's not humans versus zombies anymore. It's something way more dangerous. And let's be honest, this show does not scare us anymore. It hits emotionally. Friendships break, people sacrifice themselves, and survival always comes with a cost. In season 2, it's going to be even more intense. This season is not just about surviving the outbreak, it's about surviving what comes after it. And trust me, when this releases, no one is going to be ready. So if you're excited for All of Us Are Dead Season 2, don't forget to subscribe, because when it drops, we are breaking down everything. Thanks for watching this video. If you like the explanation, please subscribe the channel and like the video.